Tunataka mambo ya makanisa kuja hapa Jumapili, ikiwa wanapatia mwalimu pesa wafanya renting, tunataka ikome kuanzia leo. Kwa sababu kuna makanisa ingine tauni hii tumekuwa tukiishuku kuhusu watoto wetu. Na wewe lazima unisikize. I am a doctor of medicine and I'm telling you, watoto wote 13 wenye walikufa, I examined all of them. 14. Hakuna hata mtoto mmoja mwenye hata done moja ya damu ilitoka. Kwamba we are not going to allow anybody, including watu wa kanisa, kuchukua maisha ya watoto wetu through satanic worship, alafu wana sacrifice maisha ya watoto wetu.
Ladies and gentlemen, late last evening, a regrettable fatal stampede occurred here at Kakamega Primary School, a public school in Kakamega County, during which the nation lost 14 children while 46 others were injured. Following the tragic incident, His Excellency the President was briefed, and as part of the rapid government response, a government multi-agency team was immediately deployed to this school to attend to the survivors and to prevent any further loss of life. The government multi-agency team, in its preliminary investigations, established the following facts about the incident. Number one, Kakamega Primary School has a total population of 3,128 learners, and it's one of the best performing institutions in this region. Number two, a stampede happened at the school yesterday at around 4:40 p.m. Investigations are underway to establish the cause or causes of the stampede. Number three, learners affected were in class 4 and 5, which were accommodated in the first and second floors of the affected building. 14 learners succumbed to the unfortunate incident. 9 were girls, while 5 were boys. Number 5, 46 learners were injured. 37 learners were treated in the nearby facilities and discharged. 2 learners are in the ICU at the Kakamega Referral Hospital. 3 learners are admitted to the surgical wards at the Kakamega Referral Hospital. Fellow Kenyans, in order to allow for a full investigation into the incident, the school shall remain closed, as has been announced by the Cabinet Secretary, until Monday. In the meantime, all the affected families and pupils, including the survivors of the stampede, will be cancelled. Counseling sessions for all the affected learners, parents, and their families are being offered here at the school. Once again, my condolences and those of the entire government and the county and the country to the bereaved families. May God the Almighty rest the souls of our children in eternal peace. To those injured in the incident, I pray for your quick recovery and full restoration. Further updates will be provided by the Ministry of Education in consultation with the county government and under the Government Multi-Agency Response Team. Kwa niaba ya serikali ya kitaifa na kwa niaba ya Wakenya wote, kwamba tumefika hapa tusimame na watu wa Kakamega County, wazazi waliopoteza watoto wao na wananchi kwa ujumla wa sehemu hii. Mjue ya kwamba wakati huu mgumu wa huzuni na majonzi, sote tumesimama pamoja na nyinyi. Na vile nimetangaza hapa na tushaongea na Governor Oparanya, serikali ya kitaifa na serikali ya county tutaungana kuhakikisha kwamba yale yote yanayohitajika financially and every other arrangement, serikali za county na serikali ya kitaifa tutashirikiana ili tuweze kugharamia hiyo shughuli yote ya kuwapa hawa watoto wetu nafasi ya kupatiwa safari ya mwisho inayowafaa kama watoto wetu. Vile vile uchunguzi unaendelea tuweze kujua makosa ilikuwa wapi, shida ama pengo ilikuwa wapi, ndio tuhakikishe ya kwamba janga kama hili lisitendeke tena katika shule hii ama katika mashule zingine zetu zote katika sehemu zote za taifa letu la Kenya. Watoto 14 kupoteza maisha yao sio jambo rahisi, na tunachukua jambo hilo kama jambo la dharura na jambo ambalo tunataka kutafuta kiini na sababu ya watoto kupoteza maisha yao katika jengo hili. Kutakuwa na madaktari hapa, hata ingawaje watoto hawajajeruhiwa. Kuna watoto wengi ambao wataathirika kwa njia moja ama nyingine, kimawazo na kwa njia zingine. Kwa hivyo nafasi ya kufanyiwa counseling ni ya muhimu, kwa sababu hawa watoto wamepoteza marafiki zao, wamepoteza deskmate ama classmate na schoolmates, and therefore it is important for every parent to present themselves, especially those whose children have passed on, so that they can be counseled, and their classmates and their friends, so that we can bring this home in a way that it doesn't injure many other people, even if not physically, but emotionally.
The little angels that we have lost, 5 boys, 9 girls, 2 dead in class 4 and 12 dead in class 5. So this is a school which is better than many other schools and is being well run. So let's just find out what happened. Like I've said, there is nobody who is perfect, including myself. Let's just find out the truth. And I shall not accept a situation where they are saying, well, the children were they were running, but they don't know what they were running from. That one I will not take. I cannot blame the teachers that I saw here. They are excellent teachers here.
There is nobody, including my most humble self, that is perfect. But if there's a mistake, let us together identify it, learn from it, and move forward. We have decided as a group that our children should rest for the rest of the week. Please let us allow the children to rest for the rest of this week. We are going to establish openings here for counseling for all affected, the children, the parents, and the teachers. And by the grace of God, on Monday, after a thorough assessment, by which time we shall have known what has taken place, then we shall reopen the school so that our learning can go on.
Kuwapatia wanafunzi nafasi ya mbele. Wazazi na wananchi, tafadhali tuweze kusonga kando kidogo nyuma, tuwapatie wanafunzi nafasi ya mbele. Wazazi na mbele waweze kusikiza kutoka kwa viongozi wetu.